Hello everyone. How are you? Fine. Good. Very good. Okay. In previous lecture we have learned about how to write A and sound of A. Okay. And next letter was B. Today again we will learn letter A. Okay. In previous lecture I have teach you the name of the lines. First line is headline, second line middle line, third line base line, and last line is lower line. Okay. Now how to write A? This is capital A. We will start from headline to base line, slanting line, then again headline to base line, slanting line, in middle sleeping line. What is this? A. Do you know? A for apple. A for apple. Which color is this? Red. The color of apple is red. Look here, this is red color now, and apple is good for our health. Okay. Next. Now small a. Letter small a. How you will write? You will start from middle line to base line, half curve, then steady line, like this. This is small a, but it sound a. This is mama a and this is baby a. A A for apple. A for apple. A for arrow. A for arrow. Okay. A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. You have seen an ant, and it's very small. Okay. A for apple. A for arrow. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Where do you see aeroplane? In the sky. Okay. A for aeroplane. Again, A for apple, A for arrow, A for ant. Now, this is mama A and this is baby A. Okay? Mama A, baby A. What you will say? A. Mama A, baby A. Baby A. How you will say? A. Open your mouth. A. Open your mouth. A. Repeat after me. A. Open your mouth and say A. Open your mouth and say A. Very good. A. Apple. A. Apple. Say with me. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Apple. Repeat after me. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Double P L E. Apple. How do you say? Apple. arrow, 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 A double R O W, arrow. Okay. Ant, 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 A-N-T, ant, A-N-T, ant, 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 ant. Again, repeat after me, okay? Apple, apple, arrow, 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 ant, ant, aeroplane, 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 aeroplane. Okay. A for apple, A for arrow, A for ant, A for aeroplane. Apple, apple, arrow, arrow, ant, ant, ant. Okay, very good. You are so good. So you have to practice this. Now let us make in air. We will make Mama A in air. How you will make? Slanting line, then sleeping line. Make with me. Make A in air. Slanting line, sleeping line. Make slanting line, sleeping line. Okay. Now air. How you will make air in air? Half curve, then standing line. Okay. Half curve, then standing line. Make like this. Make baby air. Baby air. How you will make baby air? Half curve, standing line. Okay. Half curve, standing line. How you will make air? Half curve, standing line. Air. What is this? Air. Make sound like this. Air. Open your mouth and say air. Open your mouth and say air. A for apple. A for arrow. A for ant. A for aeroplane. Okay. Now air. Apple. Apple. Arrow. Arrow. Ant. Ant. Okay. And ant. Ant. Okay. Have you gone bored? Have you gone bored? No. Okay. In previous lecture, I have teach you one rhyme. I have teach you na one rhyme. Which rhyme is that? Johnny, Johnny, Which rhyme is that? Johnny, Johnny. Let us revise the rhyme. Okay. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Again repeat with me. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay. Today we will learn next rhyme, Chubby Chicks. Which rhyme? Chubby Chicks. Okay. So you have to repeat after me. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. Rosy lip, teeth within. Rosy lips, teeth within. Curly hair, very fair. Curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, once again. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lip, teeth within, curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Now I will say the rhyme. You have to repeat after me. Okay? Ready? Say. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. Repeat after me. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. And you have to do actions also. Okay? With action you have to say the rhymes. Let us start again. Chubby cheek, dimple chin. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. Rosy lips, teeth within. Rosy lips, teeth within. Curly hair, very fair. Curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Clap for you. Clap all of you. Yes, very good. Clap your hands. Yes. Once again we will say the rhymes with action. Okay. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. Yes, repeat after me. Chubby cheek, dimple chin. Rosy lip, teeth within. Rosy lips, teeth within. Curly hair, very fair. Curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Very good, good. Very good. Okay. Which letter we have learned now? A. Which letter we have learned now? A. This is Mama A. And this is baby A. What is this? Baby A. A for apple. A for arrow. A for ant. Apple. A P P L E. Apple. Arrow. A R R O W. Arrow. Ant. Ant. A N T. Okay, again we will repeat. Apple. 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 Arrow. Arrow. Ant. Ant. And side words also there of an, an, okay, okay, this is side words of a, letter a, this is mama a, baby a, okay. Now next, second letter we have learned. After A, what will come? B. What will come? B. How we make B? Standing line, half curve, then again half curve. Which letter is this? B. How you will make in air? How you will make in air B? Standing line, half curve, then again half curve. B. What is that? B. Standing line, half curve, half curve. What is that? B. What is that? B. From where we will start? From headline. Which line is this? Headline, middle line, base line, lower line. Okay? Start from headline to base line. Standing line, half curve, half curve. What is this? B. B for? B for? B for? Bus. B for? Bus. B for? Bus. How do you come to school? We come to school by bus. By bus. How do you come to school? By bus. Okay. B for boat. B for boat. B for boat. B for boat. B for bat. B for bat. B for bat. B for bus. B for bun. B for bun. B for brother. You have brother? Then B for brother. B for brother. B for bus. B for boat. B for bat. Okay, B for brother. I also have brother. You have brother. Yes. B for bun. B for bus. We come to school by bus. What is the color of bus? What is the color of bus of your school? Yellow. Bat. B for bat. We play with bat. You play cricket with bat? Okay, you like batting? I also like to do batting. B for boat. B for boat. Very good. And B for ball. B for ball. When you play cricket now, you need bat also and ball also. When we play cricket, so we need bat also and ball also. B for bat, B for ball. Okay. Look here. B. How we write B? How we write B? Standing line, half curve, B. Okay. Then look here. This is capital B. Now small b. How we will write small b? From headline to baseline. From headline to baseline. How you will write B? How we will write B? From headline to baseline, then middle line to baseline. Half curve. Okay? First standing line, then from middle line to baseline, half curve. What is that? B. What is that? B. B. And what is sound? B. This is B. How you will say? How you will say? B. B. How you will say? Repeat after me. B. How you will say? B. How you will say? B. How you will say? B. Okay. How you will say? B. 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 Okay. B for bus. B for bus. B U S. Bus. B for bus. B U S. Bus. B for bus. B U S. Bus. B for boat. B O A T. Boat. B for boat. B O A T. Boat. B for boat. B O A T. B for bat. B for bat. B A T. Bat. Okay. B for bus. B for boat. B for bat. Okay. Now B. What is sound of B? B. This is capital B. Small b. B. B for bus. B for boat. B for bat. Now B. B. S. Bus. B. Bus. B. Bus. Bus. B. Bus. B. Bus. Repeat after me. Okay, you have to, whenever you write letter B, ba, you have to say also. You have to say and write. Okay, you have to say and write. Ba, bus. Ba, bus. Ba, bus. Ba, boat. Ba, boat. Ba, boat. Ba, bag. Ba, bag. Okay, today we have learned two letter sound. First, a, a, b, 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 bus, b, boat, b, bat, b, bat, b, bat, b, boat, b, boat, b, bus, b, bus. Okay, do you enjoy today? Do you enjoy today's lecture? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, okay. So, you do practice of saying the sound of a, b. Okay? And you have to do practice also. You have to write in your copy letter A and letter B. Okay? You have to do practice in your notebook. You have to do practice in your notebook. Okay? Today I will teach you two sight word also. Okay? So you have to do only reading. You have to do only reading at your home. I am. In. In means we have to put anything in. Okay? Anything which we have to be put in. What is this? In. I and in. I and in. Okay? I, T. It. I, T. It. I, T. It. That means it is an apple. It is a ball. It is a pen. It is a bat. Okay. I and in. In means we have to put anything in. Which thing is inside the box is in. I and in. It. It. It is a pen. It is a bat. It is a ball. Okay, like this. You have to, every day you have to do reading. I am, in, it. Okay, and you have to do practice of rhymes also with action. Okay, I will ask you. I will see you from camera that you are doing with action or not, or you are repeating the rhymes or not. Okay, I will see you from camera. I can see you. Okay, so you have to do practice of letter A and B in notebook and sound a, b. Okay, and reading of sight word in, it. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.